Now, with a population of over 1 billion, the country's scheme is the largest in the world. But critics have cited recent data breach cases and argue it should not be compulsory at all. Well, let's go live to Delhi now. Our correspondent DEVINA GUPTA is there. DEVINA, it does sound like a hot debate. What do you think today's decision will be?
Well, it is quite a controversial and deeply divided debate, and one of the longest hearings that we've seen in India's top court since 1970s. It will decide on constitutional validity of this digital biometric system that was introduced in the country 9 years back. What it means is that first, should this biometric system be legal at all in India? And second, whether it should be compulsory for the government to ask citizens to register for this and link it then to bank accounts, for phone bills and all the host of other services. Now, critics have said that it infringes on right to privacy for many citizens, and often there have been data leaks where data of personal information and sensitive in nature has been compromised in the public domain. So until the government could guarantee safety of data, it should not be collected further. But it may be too late. It's already been 9 years, and over 1 billion such Aadhaar cards, which means foundation cards with 12-digit unique numbers, have been issued to the citizens. So it will be difficult if the court decides to make it voluntary and to do away with the scheme.
I was going to say, because just purely from a logistical point of view, it is huge. This is mammoth, isn't it, to get the biometrics of over a billion people. If the court were to rule that it is a violation of privacy, that would cause it to completely unravel.
Absolutely. And though there would be an option of review of an appeal, even the country's parliament could step in for another law which could make it legal. But it will be a logistical nightmare, because till now a lot of government schemes have been linked to this unique biometric system. A lot of poor get their food subsidy and other benefits through this system. So if it suddenly if the court says it is not legal anymore, it would lead to a lot of confusion in India for welfare schemes and for the other hosts of services. And the government, though, is hoping that the ruling will be in their favor. But activists have cited cases in the past where a lot of people have failed to register also for this scheme, because biometric often doesn't work. So there are a host of issues with this policy. And if the government decides to review it, they can perhaps build a better system.
OK, DEVINA, for now, thank you very much. Very interesting. We'll keep an eye on what the decision is in India later, and we will update you.